What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the second Travel Monday vlog video. This is a series, if you guys didn't watch the first one, that I'm going to start doing. I accidentally skipped last week, but I didn't have much footage to put in. I played pretty poorly, so it just felt like one that, I don't know. I wanted to do it, but it was an accident. I ended up missing it. This weekend was Lexington Open in Lexington, Kentucky. The courses were beautiful. They weren't super challenging. I didn't play great. Pretty frustrated with it, actually. But you live and you learn. I'm not going to harp over it this coming weekend at Lake Marshall. But I do want to show you guys some of the fun things we did because we took some awesome videos this week. To start out, we went fishing a whole lot. A rope swing.
Joey doesn't get the momentum. Did you hit? That was better? Go on, ready? Ow! Right? I hit my butt so hard. Alright, you good?
On the water? Yeah, he's out. He's clear.
Yeah, I think it's done. Last one, baby! Dude, that gets me hyped back for Micah. I was so high up there, holy crap. I don't know, this one might be taller. Dude, my butt cheeks. This one might be taller.
We did some really cool videos on some new courses when we were traveling.
Look-key a beefy bird, dude. Drop. Do it. Blue.
Yeah! Woo! No way!
No way that went in. That actually was not on purpose. Did you get me just falling?
Yeah. We grilled out a bunch. We also did some ice baths, which felt amazing the next day.
No.
How was it, Luke?
So good. I'm gonna feel it so good tomorrow.
All right, now you got to turn into a cheerleader.
Let's go, Joseph! Dude, you just gotta send it. You really just have to get in. Full send. This is so bad. Just get in. There's no thinking. Oh!
Wow, that was impressive, bro.
What a beast! Oh, he's a stud. Oh my gosh, it's not even phasing. It's like, it's easy. No.
We all watched each other play a little bit. Before their rounds, they would come watch me. And then when I finished up, I would go watch them finish up because they played a lot better than I did this weekend. But that was fun having them watching me, and then it was fun to get to support them and go watch them. And overall, just learned how to live out of the RV. I think my dad and I are both pretty comfortable in here now. There's not really much that I'm missing about living back home. And I'm really enjoying life on the road, honestly. It's super fun to get to play all these new courses every week. I already loved traveling, so that's fun. And I don't need more space than we have because I'm only in here really to sleep. If I'm not in here sleeping, then I'm probably outside playing or practicing or hanging with some friends. We've had some friends over, playing some cards, doing some fun stuff. So hopefully this Monday debrief is a little more interesting than the last one, because we had some cool clips to put in this one. But as for my play, I already said it wasn't great. I'm not going to go too much into detail, but there's definitely some things I want to work on. One of them being confidence going into this weekend at Lake Marshall. So I'm really excited for this one. This next Monday debrief is going to be a really fun one. I got some friends staying with us all week, and these courses are beautiful. I'm super excited. We are actually only like an hour away now, so this next Monday debrief is actually starting for me today. So hopefully you guys really enjoy this one, and I really hope you'll enjoy the next one. And we'll see you then.